So it's kind of chilly out here, and it's perfect for fire weather. And I needed a place to put our logs really close to our fire pit. So what I did is I took this pallet, and I'm gonna actually put that roof like I did for the chicken coop. I'm gonna put it on each of these sides, but this is one long pallet on either side here that I split all the way down the middle, the halfway point, and I cut out the peak so that it would fit around this pole here, and screwed them together. 2 2x4s down here, that way all these logs can lay on here. I got the bigger ones on this side, the medium ones on this side. Then I put some pallet planks up here for the smaller ones. Just need to put the trim on each side here. It is done. Got it cut, and it's right here close to where the fire pit is. I got these shingle pieces down here, and I'm gonna put pea gravel on top of that. That way we won't have any more fires like we had running across the yard. It's the first snow of the year. So John, what does MOSH stand for? Huh?
I don't know.
Museum of Science and History. Now I know Christmas is over and you might be tired of Christmas music, but you gotta at least see the singing reindeer.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Listen and listen, and all his reindeer are pulling on the rein. Children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight, this starry night.